Now I will be explaining the exceptional supply curves. Now there are two types of exceptional supply curve. One is the vertical supply curve, that is, in the case of antique goods or rare goods which are not available in plenty, the supply curve will be vertical shape like this, S. So here I measure price and here I measure quantity supply or supply. So this is x-axis, this is the y-axis. The supply curve will be vertical. Why? No matter what the price is, suppose price is P0 or price increases to P1, the quantity supplied remain fixed at Q bar. Say for example the painting of Mona Lisa, or say the old age antique coins, Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, that time the coins, they are not available in plenty. They are scarce, they are rare goods. So for this type of goods, the supply will be fixed. No matter what the price is, supply curve is always vertical, parallel to the y-axis. The second type of exceptional supply curve is what is known as backward bending supply curve. Backward bending supply curve, and we see such type of supply curve in the labor market. So here we measure in the x-axis labor hours and in the y-axis the price of labor, that is wage. So if this is the origin, the labor supply curve will be backward bending like this. Say LS. So initially see, suppose the wage rate is W0, that time labor supply is L0. Now when wage rate increases to W1, labor supply increases to L1. So initially they are supplying more of labor, that means they are working more as their wage rate is increasing. But after a certain critical wage rate, say W star, where the labor supply is L star. So beyond this you see, if the wage rate is increased further, say W3 or W2, see here the labor supply is falling to say L2. Now why this is happening? This is because till W star, from W0 to W star, till here they prefer work to leisure. That means they prefer to work more than to enjoy leisure. But beyond this W star, as the wage rate is increased further from W star to WT2, we see that the labor supply is falling from L star to L2. Why? Because beyond this critical wage rate W star, the laborers prefer leisure to work. That means no matter their income is increasing, but they would prefer leisure time than to work. And so the labor supply initially is positively sloped, but then it is becoming negatively sloped, making the entire labor supply curve backward bending. So these two are the main exceptional supply curve. Why exceptional? Because the supply curve normally is a positively sloped curve, but you see here the supply curve does not obey the law of supply and hence it has taken different shapes.